Hey guys, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Notion templates. Guys, welcome back to the tutorial, and if you're new, special welcome to you. Now, once you're inside Notion, guys, if you want to use the templates, you want to look to the left hand side and you will find just below settings templates. Click on that. Now, templates has so many different, let's say, categories or type of templates that you can really use in Notion. So you have where you can discover, you have work, and it has a whole list of categories under there. You have life, which you can do quite a lot there as well, and school you have a lot. Or if you just want to search for something, you can also do that as well. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just choose something right here randomly. So let's just choose budget at the top right here, and it's going to show me a whole different type of templates that I can actually use from here. So you just want to scroll through, find something that you like, and actually you can use it, and you can see if it's shown that these ones are new or free as well. So I'm gonna just choose something randomly that is actually free to use as well. So let's say I want to take, let's see, let's find something that is actually interesting, right? And some of them are actually paid, as you can see as well. You have to you have to pay for them. So I'm gonna just choose something that I think that is cool and is absolutely, let's say, easy to use. Let's take this one right here, right? So let's say I want to use this. All I have to do is click on it, and here you will see either if you use it before, it will say use again. In this case, let me just go back. I'm gonna just go back to templates and just show you something. So let's try personal finance and find something, right? So let's say I want to use this. You want to just click on it. You're gonna have the option to preview it. It's gonna give you the option to preview. You can preview to see what it looks like before you actually use it. And if you like it, you can just simply go ahead and click and add. If not, just simply go ahead and go back, and you will be able to see more, right? So you can go back and you can choose something else. So let's find something else. Let's choose, for example, this one. It's free as well. So let's say this is the one I want to use. I can click on it and then click and add. Once you click and add, you'll have the option to either add it under a private board if you have private board, or if you have public ones, or let's say team space that you can actually use, you can add it on the team space as well. So I'm going to just add this under, for example, a team space. And once you click on that, it's going to say template is being added. And once it is done, it's going to show you that it's there. See, it says template is ready. And I can actually see that. Now you can click and see, and it's going to open up that template for you. Or all you have to do is look to where you have it on the left hand side. So you want to go either go to your team space where that you have it, or if you have a private board, you can also check it as well. But once that is done, guys, all you really have to do is look to the left hand side and you will actually find it. And as you can see, I click on it and it's readily available to me, and I can start using it. I can start editing it, right? So that's it. Very easy and very simple. That's how you go ahead and use Notion templates.